Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you friends how to add card to Lemfi. The first step guys, download the app and make sure you have last version of the app, and download app and log in with your phone number and click download the app. And step 2 guys, go to a credit option from your card and look for credit option, select card setting and then tap add to wallet, add your Lemfi card, click this one option, add to card wallet, and then using wallet app, go to see card add notification, click on you it complete. You may also add card using the wallet app when or within wallet app setting your compatible device. So guys, the first step, make sure you have last version and go to credit option and then tap to add card. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video. So you see this option guys, add to wallet. Thanks guys for watching this video.